actually bullied me to start using MEDIX 5.5 because all of you wanted to know about this lotion. I think you guys have seen it out there. I mean, I had seen it before, but I was just, dragging my feet until some of you dragged me. I was like, Dikan, please, can you tell us about MEDIX 5.5? And now I'm here today to actually compare the MEDIX 5.5 lotion and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dikan. Please make sure that you're subscribed and that your notification bell is turned on for whenever I post a video. And hey, my returning subscriber, how are you doing today? Please also make sure to check that the bell button right next to the subscribe button is turned on so you are notified every time that I post a video. So in today's video, we are going to be comparing the two very popular and for good reasons vitamin C lotions. Yay! I'm so excited to film this video today. You guys actually bullied me to start using MEDIX 5.5 because all of you wanted to know about this lotion. I think you guys have seen it out there. I mean, I had seen it before, but I was just, dragging my feet until some of you dragged me. I was like, Dikan, please, can you tell us about MEDIX 5.5? And now I'm here today to actually compare the MEDIX 5.5 lotion and also the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C lotion. Please excuse my voice for today. I know I sound like a frog. It's because I've been a little under the weather and I have a cold at the moment, so yeah, just bear with me. So these two vitamin C lotion, which one should you go for? Which one is the best? I actually feel like these are two students right now dragging for first position in class, so let's know who takes first. First of all, this is a very sweet comparison because both of them have almost the same ingredients. This is a vitamin C lotion, this is same. The Advanced Clinicals one is infused with pure vitamin C and also has ferulic acid and vitamin E. The MEDIX 5.5 one also contains vitamin C, ferulic acid, and also turmeric, amongst other ingredients that we are going to get into. But now let us get into these two and know exactly what we're talking about today. First, let me speak on the sizes of this lotion. Now, the one from Advanced Clinical is 454 grams, which is about 16 ounces. And this one, MEDIX 5.5 one, is 444 ml, which is 15 ounces. So judging from the size, they're pretty much almost the same size, with this one just a little bit bigger than this one, but pretty much almost the same. Onto the smell of this lotion, this one has a bit more of a stronger scented smell. Not strong actually, but it is a bit stronger than this one. They both have a bit of a citrusy smell, but the fragrance is quite distinct between the both of them. This is a different type of citrusy fragrance and this is a different type of citrusy fragrance, but both of them smell quite mild. They are not overbearing, they are not overpowering at all. If you do use any of this lotion, it is not fragrance in a way that it would disturb your smell or your sense of smell. It is quite mild. Now moving on to the consistency, that would mean the texture, the viscosity of these two lotions. Now the one from Advanced Clinical is I would say is more on the thick side. This one will be great for people with normal to dry and very dry skin. This has a very thick consistency that moisturizes and stays long on the skin. Now the MEDIX 5.5 vitamin C lotion, on the other hand, has a bit of a runny consistency, but not too runny. This one would be great for all skin types, whether you're dry skin, sensitive skin, normal, combination, oily skin. The texture of this one is quite forgiving for all skin types. So yeah, if you're living in like a hot region, or depending on your skin type, or if you like a lighter or thicker lotion, then you can pick and choose from one of these. If you have dry to normal skin, if you have combination to oily skin, and every skin type can actually use this one. But yeah, both of them have great consistencies for different reasons. Now moving on to the ingredients. Now both of them are obviously vitamin C lotions, and I had also mentioned already some of the ingredients that can be found in either of this lotion. This one contains, like I said, vitamin E as well, and also ferulic acid. Ferulic acid is great for protecting the skin. It's a great antioxidant to protect you from free radicals and all of that. And this one as well contains ferulic acid as well. So it seems to me like, you know, it's a tie here and they're doing almost the same thing for the skin. But at the end of this video, I'm going to share my own personal experience with using these both lotions. Now, judging by the ingredient listing on the advanced clinical one, it also contains Camellia sinensis leaf, which is green tea extract. It also contains aloe barbadensis leaf, which is obviously aloe vera. This one also contains aloe vera as well. Now, the only distinct ingredient between these two is that this one contains turmeric and also retinol. Now, turmeric is another great brightening ingredient that is great for the skin. It also helps in firming the skin and also giving like a plump and radiant skin. So if you're looking to get like a more plumpy skin, a more radiant skin, then this one is great. So next is that this one also contains retinol. Retinol is a great cell renewal ingredient that is great for aging and sagging skin. Looking for something to firm your skin, you know, help promote collagen production or blood circulation on your skin, then this one that has retinol is great. I love retinol as an ingredient because it is great for anti-aging. It is great in promoting youthful and vibrant skin, hence why I love this lotion. Apart from vitamin E as well, they also have ginger and ginseng in this lotion. What lotion has all of these ingredients in one? So now I'm putting these two lotions side by side, which is great or which is the best among them. Now I'm gonna say I feel a little guilty for what I'm about to do because I absolutely love the advanced clinical lotions I've used. This is almost like my 5th jar or my 5th bottle for this lotion, but this came around and has shifted my attention from my love. But yeah, it is for great reasons. Now it seems to me like the formulators of this lotion were actually showing off, because apart from vitamin C, ferulic acid, turmeric and aloe vera, retinol, this same lotion still has vitamin E and has ginger and has ginseng. What are you guys doing putting all of these very beneficial ingredients into one lotion? This lotion is actually amazing. The ingredient listing is great. It seems to me like it was formulated to make sure that your skin is popping. Like when you pick up this lotion, you will pop, whether you like it or not. Now, comparing performance on my skin, I would say that in the winter months, I would not opt for this one because I like to use like a thicker consistency because I need it. Your skin will always be dry. But now that the sun is coming out, this one is definitely great. And if you live in a hot region, like I said, then you might want to pick up this one since it is lightweight and it's almost the same size as this, which is an extra value pack in my opinion. Now, for the price range of this, I bought this one from Nigeria and I bought this one here, but researching online, they are almost the same price. This retails for between 11 to 19,000 naira, and this one retails for about the same amount depending on where you shop from. I'm going to find links and drop them in the description box so that you guys can find it easy to shop. But I also forgot to mention that this MEDIX 5.5 vitamin C plus turmeric lotion is formulated at the pH of 5.5, which is great for the skin, which is actually our natural skin pH level. So this lotion is actually great. I don't know what they were doing, but they were doing a thing with this lotion. I absolutely love it. I love the consistency. I love the results that I am getting. Now you might wonder what supports moisture in these lotions. The advanced clinical one, what supports moisture here is the aloe vera and also coconut oil. The MEDIX 5.5 lotion, what supports moisture here is shea butter and also aloe vera extract. Now for my final verdict for these two lotions, which is my best, which is my top lotion, I absolutely love them both. Putting them side by side in terms of performance, I did find that they do pretty much the same on the skin. There is no drastic difference as to what one does more than the other, but this one does contain a lot more ingredients that are beneficial to the skin. And now this is the second bottle that I just started for this one, as opposed to this one that I've used about 4 bottles. I feel like if I give this more time, I'm going to see a lot more changes on my skin, and then I will definitely do an updated video and actually share it with you guys. But for now, I'm putting them side by side. They both do great. Now, depending on your skin type, your skin needs, your budget, your, you know, whatever you're looking to get from a lotion, then you might want to pick and choose which one is best for you with all the information that I have given you today. So yeah, that's it for this video today. That's it for my comparison for the advanced clinical vitamin C lotion and also the MEDIX 5.5 vitamin C and turmeric lotion. Yeah, now the floor is yours. Pick and choose which one you think would work best with your skin type, your skin needs, whatever you're looking looking to get from a lotion. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Subscribe if you're not, and click on the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post a video. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and as usual, I wish you a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.